catches, puts up a three. Won't go. Rebound Bosch. Back out to Allen. His three-pointer. Bang! Tie game with 5 seconds remaining. Spurs do not have a timeout. But the officials are going to review to see if that
shooter in the history of the NBA, regular season and postseason. Ray Allen,
he backed up. Get behind that line. He's backing up as he catches the pass and then comes right back into the shot.
What a roller coaster ride. Are deadlocked at 95.
Kapag dikit ang laban at kailangan ng opensa, kaya niyang ipanalo maski anong prangkisa. Siya nga ang takbuhan ng team pag kailangan nila ng sasalba sa kanilang opensa. Ang batang Ray Allen nga ang isa sa dapat depensahan ng matindi noon sa liga. At ilan na nga ang nagtangkang bumantay at bumigil sa mga game winners ng kanyang karera. Ito ang kwento ni Ray Allen na binansagang Jesus Shuttlesworth. Walter Ray Allen Jr. ipinanganak noong July 20, 1975 sa Merced, California, USA. May edad dito ngayong 48 years old at may taas na 6'5". Pangatlo sa 5 magkakapatid. Anak nga ito ng isang militar na si Walter Sr. at Flora Allen. At dahil nga militar ang kanyang ama, kung saan-saan nga sila napatira including Germany. Pamilya nga ito ng mahilig sa basketball at lumaki itong si Ray na iniidolo si Michael Jordan. At dahil nga walang permanenteng tirahan ng kanilang pamilya dahil sa propesyon ng kanyang ama, dumating ang panahon na nagsettled na ang pamilya sa Dalzell, South Carolina, USA. At sa kadahilan ng kung saan-saan napatira ang pamilya, medyo iba nga ang accent ng pananalita nito ni Allen. Kaya madalas ito ay nabubuli ng mga kapwa bata. At habang lumalaki nga ang batang si Allen, sobrang dedikasyon nito araw-araw sa pagpaparaktis ng basketball. For him to be the best basketball player he possibly could. Pagdating ng 15 anyos, ito ay naglaro sa Hillcrest High School varsity team. Pinangunahan nga nito ang kanyang eskwelahan para sa first state championship game. Doon ay nagpakita si Allen ng potensyal para maging NBA player. Bagamat napukaw ni Allen ang atensyon ng mga bigating college teams, University of Connecticut nga ang napili ni Allen na paglaruan. As a freshman with the Yukon Huskies, Allen came off the bench in 34 games he played, averaging 12.6 points, 4.6 rebounds, 1.4 assists, and 1.1 steals in 21.6 minutes per game. Sa kanyang sophomore year, Allen played 32 games with 31 starts. Tumaas nga ang mga numero nito kumpara nung freshman nito, averaging 21.1 points, 6.8 rebounds, 2.3 assists, and 1.9 steals in 32.8 minutes per game. He was subsequently named first team All-Big East. At pagdating nga sa junior year in 1995-1996, lalong tumindi itong si Allen. Started all 35 games and averaged 23.4 points, 6.5 rebounds, 3.3 assists, and 1.7 steals in 34.7 minutes per game. He was named the Big East Player of the Year. Nanalo nga ang Huskies in their third consecutive Big East Conference regular season title and played in their third consecutive NCAA tournament. At dahil nga gusto na nito tumapak sa NBA, nag-declared na itong si Allen para sumali sa NBA draft. Kaya noong 1996, Allen was drafted by the Minnesota Timberwolves with the 5th pick of the 1996 NBA draft. Pero agad-agad, after nito mapili ng Minnesota, tinrade agad dito sa Milwaukee Bucks kasama si Andrew Lang, kapalit ni 4th pick Stephen Marbury. Kaya on July 24, 1996, Allen signed a 3-year $6.2 million contract with the Bucks. On his first game on November 1, 1996, he played 28 minutes and scored 13 points in a win kontra rookie din na si Allen Iverson and the Sixers. On January 12, 1997, nagpakita ng lakas si Allen kontra Golden State Warriors. Gumawa ito ng 22 points, 6 assists, 3 steals, and a new career high of 9 rebounds. Napasabak pa nga ito sa slam dunk contest noong 1997 during All-Star Weekend. Hindi man ito nanalo, ipinakita nito sa NBA fans na may palag ito sa dakdakan. Nang nagpatuloy nga ang rookie season nito on March 25, 1997, pagamat natalo sila kontra Phoenix Suns, umiskor ito ng bagong career high of 32 points. Allen was named to the NBA All-Rookie Second Team in the 1997-1998 season. Exactly on December 20, 1997, Allen set a new career high of 35 points against the New York Knicks. Bagamat hindi nga nakakapasok sa playoffs ang kanyang koponan for the second straight year, on April 18, 1998, sa huling laro ng regular season, Allen tallied a 40-point double-double with 10 rebounds. Pagdating ng 1999-2003 season, pumirma si Allen ng contract extension sa Bucks ng 6 years, $70.9 million, making him the highest paid player sa kasaysayan ng Milwaukee Bucks. Pinakita nga ni Allen na kailangan niyang tumbasan ng milyong-milyong halaga na binabayad sa kanya ng prangkisa. Incredible scoring nga ang pinakita ni Allen sa NBA fans. Naisali nga ito sa kanyang unang All-Star game. Umiskor ito ng 14 points in 17 minutes. During the 1999-2000 season, pinangunahan nga nito ang Bucks during the regular and postseason. On February 7, 2001, Allen recorded his first career triple-double with 20 points, 10 rebounds, and 11 assists kontra Boston Celtics. Kasama nga si Sam Cassell at Glenn Robinson, binuhat nila ang Bucks para sa Eastern Conference Finals. Allen scored a new playoff career high with 41 points in Game 6 victory kontra 76ers, pero natalo din sila in 7 games. In 2002-2003 season, napag-uusapan na ang paglipat nito para maglaro sa Seattle Supersonics. Kasama nga si Ronald Murray and Kevin Ollie at isa pang first round draft pick, ipapalit sila kay Sonics veteran Gary Payton and Desmond Mason. Kaya noong July 2005, Allen signed a 5-year $85 million contract with the Supersonics. Dito ay may narakaan din ni Allen ng Sonics ng kanyang pangalan. Allen became the 97th player in NBA history to score 15,000 points. In the 2006-2007 regular season, Allen averaged a career high 26.4 points per game. On January 12, 2007, umiskor ito ng kanyang career high 54 points kontra Jazz. On June 28, 2007, tinrade ng Sonics si Allen kasama si Glenn Davis at ang 35th overall pick in the 2007 NBA Draft sa Boston Celtics. Kapalitan tatlong player din ng Celtics. Nang taong ding iyon, siya din pagdating ng rookie na si Kevin Durant sa Sonics. Madaming ang Sonics fans ang nadismaya dahil ayaw nilang mawala ang isang Ray Allen sa Sonics. Sa paglipat nga ni Allen sa Celtics, siya namang pagkuha din ng Celtics kay Kevin Garnett from Minnesota. Alongside with Garnett and Paul Pierce, they became triple trouble sa mga katunggali. Nagpalit nga ng numero 20 si Allen sa Celtics dahil nga sa pagmamay-ari na ni Paul Pierce ang number 34. On March 28, 2008, Allen was honored as the third best of the 20 greatest players in franchise history during Milwaukee's 40th anniversary team. Nang taon din na iyon na 2008, tinulungan ni Allen si Garnett and Pierce para dalhin ang Boston Celtics sa NBA Finals. On June 12, 2008, Allen would play all 48 minutes at gumawa ng 19 points and 9 rebounds in what would become the largest comeback in NBA Finals history, with the Celtics coming back from a 24-point deficit at 1 point in the second quarter and a deficit as large as 20 in the third. Sa larong iyon, nakalusot si Allen para sa isang layup with 16.4 seconds remaining para bigyan ng kanyang kupunan ng 5 puntos na kalamangan at panalo. On June 17, 2008, sa Game 6 ng serye, tumikada si Allen ng NBA Finals records with 7 3-pointers in the Celtics 131-92 victory over Los Angeles Lakers. Sa panalong iyon, nakakuha ni Allen ang kanyang kauna-unahang kampyonato sa NBA. On February 22, 2009, binura ni Allen ang record ni Larry Bird na may 71 free throws made, na siya namang gumawa ng 72 streak ending. On June 6, 2010, nadala na naman ni Allen ng Celtics para sa NBA Finals. Pagamat tinalo sila ng Lakers sa serye, noong Game 2 victory, Allen set a then record for most 3-pointers made in an NBA Finals game on 8 out of 11 shooting. Binura nga nitong record ni Michael Jordan na may 6 3-pointers in one half, na ito ay tumira ng 7 in the first half, na tumabla kay Scottie Pippen at Kenny Smith record for most 3-pointers in one game in NBA Finals by halftime. Nang naging free agent nga ito noong July 1, 2010, pumirma ulit ito ng 2 taon sa Celtics na tumataginting na $20 million. On their game noong February 10, 2011 kontra Lakers, Allen became all-time NBA leader in total 3-pointers made na may 2,562 points. Nalampasan nga nitong record ni Reggie Miller na may 2,560 points. Pagdating nga ng 2012, balak pa din manatili ni Allen sa Celtics. Pero dahil nga magiging bench rule lang siya dahil kay Rajon Rondo, ni-reject ni Allen ng Celtics at pumirma ito ng 2-year $6 million deal sa Miami Heat. Dahil nga wala na siya sa Celtics, binalik niya ang kanyang jersey number na number 34. On April 25, 2013, kontra Milwaukee Bucks in Game 3 of the first round of the playoffs, Allen made his 322nd career 3-pointers in the playoffs na sinira na naman ang record ni Reggie Miller for most 3-pointers made in the NBA playoff history. Nadala nga na naman ni Allen ng Miami Heat sa finals with Heat veteran Dwayne Wade, Chris Bosh at LeBron James kontra San Antonio Spurs. Sa Game 6 with 5.2 seconds left, as the Heat trailed by 3 points, tumira si Allen ng 3 at naipasok to force overtime. Having rallied from a 10-point deficit, the Heat won in overtime and forced a 7th game in the series. In Game 7, the Heat won to win its second consecutive championship. Kinilala nga ang serye na ito na one of the greatest finals of all time. On June 29, 2013, Allen picked up his $3.23 million player option to stay with the Heat through the 2013-2014 NBA season. Sa season na iyon, pumasok na naman ang Heat sa NBA Finals for the 4th straight year and Allen's second. Kontra nga ulit sa Spurs, tinalo sila nito in 5 games. Naging free agent nga si Allen in the 2014 offseason. Nagkaroon nga ng pag-uusap between Allen and Boston Celtics at Milwaukee Bucks for a possible return. Pero Allen decided to officially retire on November 1, 2016. In September 2018, Allen was inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame. Bukod nga sa basketball, nakilala din itong si Allen sa pagganap sa pelikula noong 1998 na si Jesus Shuttlesworth. Kasama nga nito sa pelikula sa Denzel Washington in the Spike Lee film He Got Game. On August 2021, naging boys and girls varsity basketball head coach si Allen ng Gulliver's Preparatory School. Noong 2023, dahil nga hindi natapos ni Allen ang kanyang kolehiyo dahil sa kanyang NBA dream, he received a bachelor's degree in general studies from the University of Connecticut. Allen is a champion, a shooting legend, and a true competitor. His dedication and clutch performances inspire basketball fans worldwide. The kid from military base, Ray Allen.
7'4". Look at the alley-oop feed to Ray Allen. Takes it in the paint.
Lead pass. Allen finishes strong on the other end.
Allen dunks it with 3.5 to go.
Great job, Ray Allen, taking the ball to the hole.
Douglas with a bullet pass to Ray Allen.
Take it back on the line.